Have you ever wondered about the history and mysteries of our blue planet Earth? Our story begins around 4.5 billion years ago in the swirling chaos of a newborn solar system. The Earth was not always the comfortable, life-sustaining planet we know today. No, it was born from violence and fire, a molten mass of rock and metal spinning in the void of space. This was the Hadean Aeon, named after Hades, the ancient Greek god of the underworld, a fitting name for a time when our planet was a hellish, fiery world. Imagine a landscape of molten rock, a sea of lava under a sky choked with toxic gases. This was Earth in its infancy, a world in the making. But even in the midst of this infernal chaos, the seeds of life were being sown. As the Earth spun on its axis, it began to cool. Over hundreds of millions of years, the surface hardened, forming a thin, solid crust. At the same time, water, a vital ingredient for life, began to appear. It's believed that the water was delivered by comets and asteroids that bombarded the early Earth, and so the first oceans began to form. These weren't oceans as we know them today, of course. They would have been hot, acidic, and laden with minerals. But they were a start. Over time, the planet continued to cool and change, evolving from a molten mass into a world with land and oceans. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? Our planet, the place we call home, was born from fire and chaos. But from this turbulent beginning, Earth took its first steps towards becoming a place where life could not only exist, but thrive. It's a testament to the incredible power of nature and the resilience of life itself. From a fiery, hostile world, Earth had taken its first steps towards becoming the planet we know today. So the next time you look up at the sky or dip your toes in the ocean, remember the incredible journey our planet has been on. And remember, this is just the beginning of our story. There's so much more to explore and understand about our extraordinary home, the Earth. But what is our planet made of, you might ask? Well, the Earth is a complex mix of elements, both in its atmosphere and its crust. Let's start with our atmosphere. It's like a protective blanket wrapping the Earth, composed primarily of nitrogen, making up around 78%. Oxygen follows at about 21%. These two gases are essential for life, with nitrogen playing a vital role in plant growth and oxygen being, well, the breath of life. The remaining 1% is a cocktail of various gases, with carbon dioxide being a significant player. Despite its small proportion, carbon dioxide is crucial for photosynthesis in plants and helps trap heat, maintaining the Earth's comfortable temperatures. Now let's dig deeper into the Earth's crust. It's like the skin of an apple, thin compared to the rest of the planet, but incredibly important. Silicon and oxygen are the stars here, making up about 46 and 28% of the crust, respectively. These elements form most of the rocks and soil we walk on every day. But wait, there's more. Aluminum, iron, calcium, sodium, potassium, and magnesium also make up a good chunk of the crust. So, from the air we breathe to the ground beneath our feet, our Earth is a fascinating blend of elements. It's this unique composition that makes life possible on our planet. Our Earth holds a special place in the solar system. Indeed, it's not just a random location but a strategic one. Nestled comfortably as the third rock from the sun, Earth finds itself in what we call the Goldilocks zone, or more scientifically, the habitable zone. This is the area around a star where conditions are just right, not too hot, not too cold, for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. Now, why is this important? Well, water is a key ingredient for life as we know it, and Earth's prime position at just the right distance from the sun allows for this precious liquid to remain stable on our planet's surface. This unique location, combined with a protective atmosphere, gives rise to a diverse range of climates and ecosystems, supporting an incredible array of life. Earth's position is just right, not too hot, not too cold, creating a perfect environment for life. Beneath our feet lies a complex structure. A structure so intricate that it's composed of several layers, each with a unique role in making our planet what it is. Let's start with the outermost layer, the crust. This is where we live, where mountains rise and oceans plunge. The crust may seem solid, but it's actually broken into huge plates that float on the next layer, the mantle. The mantle, a thick layer of hot, flowing rock, makes up the majority of Earth's volume. Here, the heat and pressure are so intense that rock flows like a liquid on geological timescales. Deeper still, we find the outer core, a sea of molten iron and nickel. This swirling liquid metal generates our planet's magnetic field, forming a protective barrier against solar radiation. Without it, life as we know it would be impossible. Finally, at the heart of our planet lies the inner core. Despite the intense heat, The pressure here is so great that the iron and nickel are solid. Now let's talk about gravity. Earth's gravity is a force to be reckoned with. It's what keeps our feet grounded and our atmosphere in place. Without gravity, our air, water, and even us would float off into space. Gravity also shapes the planet, from the flow of the mantle to the movement of the tectonic plates. It's a fundamental force that enables life and shapes our world in countless ways. From its layers to its gravity, Earth is a marvel of cosmic proportions. Our blue planet Earth is a testament to the wonders of the universe. We've journeyed together through its formative years, from its birth some 4.5 billion years ago to the present day. We've discovered the rich and diverse elements that make up its composition and marveled at its unique position, the third rock from the sun, in our solar system. We dived deep beneath its surface, exploring the intricate layers that form this extraordinary planet, and felt the force of its gravity, a crucial factor that makes life on Earth possible. Each of these aspects make our world a special place in the universe, a cosmic jewel teeming with life. But our journey does not end here. There's always more to discover, more to understand. Embark on daily cosmic adventures with us. Subscribe to Universal Universe and share the knowledge by liking and sharing this video.